Hello, so today we are going to be looking at another interesting topic, which is the Model Context Protocol. Absolutely. So there's been a lot of buzz about Model Context Protocol, and that's definitely for a good reason. Absolutely. So it's not just a tech trend. No, it's actually a breakthrough within the tech industry. And I'll tell you why. It has helped reduce application downtime by more than 70%. Absolutely. So, we are talking about the fundamental change of how AI systems connect, reason, and perform. I think that is definitely a game changer. And the MCP server has really helped in achieving this. When we talk about connecting AI models to real world data, we're really talking about context here and how a model understands what's happening beyond its internal parameters. So before MCP, developers had to build this fragile, inconsistent bridges just to give AI access to external data, and not just external data, but files, and also trigger actions between the different systems of an application. And so this is where MCP bridges that gap. Developers once relied on plugins to fetch data or trigger actions, while effectively in isolated cases. So each plugin had to be built and maintained separately for different AI models. Of course, you can imagine how tedious this was. So it was powerful, no doubt, but it was fragmented, it was inconsistent, and it was really difficult to scale. And also, before MCP, we had the SDKs. So these were base integrations where APIs were just exposed to callable tools. And this worked fine, especially when you're building a prototype. But it became brittle in production. So thereby allowing downtime for applications. And sometimes your data might not even be retrieved when you call them within the applications. Integration required custom logic, constant maintenance, and tight coupling of specific frameworks. We also had a local file storage system that was used before MCP. So this had direct AI integration with local files and applications. And this presents a significant security and reliability risks and challenges as well. So without the standardized protocols, safety layers, and comprehensive monitoring systems, organizations probably face unacceptable risk that could compromise their data, integrity, and even operational stability. Then came MCP, a standard way for AI models to connect with external systems safely, consistently, and intelligently. The goal here was to standardize how large language models, even small language models, will communicate with files, APIs, apps, and tools. So, regardless of the model, the framework, or the programming language. So, in simple terms, we could say MCP is the HTTP of AI in context and actions. So, because this is a universal communication layer that allows AI to securely access and act upon live data. Now, you might now understand why AI engineers love MCP so much. Well, when paired with MCP servers, AI models gain controlled real time access to live systems from databases to SaaS platforms without compromising safety or structure. So, this literally changes everything from retrieval augmented generation. It also helps greatly in reducing hallucinations within our applications. Now, MCP gives us a secure, standardized, and scalable foundation for building intelligent systems that just don't know, but they act safely and reliably. So let's look at a demo for an AI business operation assistant that is powered by MCP. Every decision maker in your company has an AI assistant that can instantly assess live sales data, HR metrics, and customer support insights without compromising security, of course. That's exactly what this AI business operations assistant does using the model context protocol. So let's just say it's like giving ChatGPT direct access to your business intelligence, enabling real time data driven decisions while keeping all sensitive information secure and, of course, in house. Right now, Your team probably spent hours pulling reports from different systems, copying data between spreadsheets, and trying to connect the dots. What if you could do this simply by asking your system to say something like, show me the top performing sales regions this quarter, or which department has the most top performance? Or maybe things like, how many critical support tickets are still open? And then get an instant, accurate answers from your live data. I think that would be really great for any business. So MCP has solved the following problem. It has solved the data fragmentation, so you no longer have to worry about your application having downtime due to loss of retrieval from live data. And it has also solved the problem of time-consuming analysis as well as the security concerns most businesses always have. So the model context protocol isn't just reducing downtime, it's redefining how AI interacts with the world. It's how we move from data chaos to contextual intelligence, and how we move from reactive insight to proactive autonomous decision making. And this is definitely something that is very useful for all businesses.